So what is HDFS? HDFS is a primary storage component of Hadoop ecosystem designed to be a very large environment across a cluster of commodity hardware. Core principle, what are the core principles? So fault tolerance, high throughput, scalability, run on commodity hardware. Uh, HDFS architecture, master slave. So it has two architecture: name node and data node. Name node is also known as master architecture. Data node is also known as slaves architecture. The name node is the brain of the HDFS. It manages all the file system namespaces. It stores all the metadata, regulates client access to the file, while the slaves architecture store the actual data in the form of block or perform read write operation as instructed by the name node, send a heartbeat and block report to the name node periodically. Basically it's the slave, data node is the slave and the name node is the master. So concept, what are the core concepts of the HDFS architecture? Blocks and replication. So what are data blocks? Data blocks are broken into large chunks called blocks. Files are broken into large chunks called blocks. It defaults as about 28 MB in modern Hadoop volume. And blocks are stored across different data nodes. And what is application? Each block is replicated across multiple data nodes. It ensures fault tolerance and high availability. If one data node fails, the data is available on others. And the third one is rack awareness. HDFS intelligently places replicas on different servers rack to protect against rack level failure. HDFS operation read and write. So how a read and write operation are done on HDFS and what are they? So write operation, client contact the name node to create the file. Name node return a list of data node for the first block. Client write data on the first data node, which simultaneously follow the pipeline the data to the second and third data node. Client repeat the process for subsequent blocks. And how read operation is performed. So first the client contact the name node to get the list of data node for the files block. So then name node provide the optimal data node addresses, prioritize data locally, and then client read blocks directly from the respective data nodes. What are the advantages? What are the advantages of HDFS? So there are many benefits. The first one is massive scalability, cost effectivity, data locally. It stores data locally, suitable for large data set. It can process a large data set quickly and fault tolerance. Data is highly protected against node failures. So this was my time. Thank you. Thus, can you explain the read write operation? Okay. So in this slide, we can see how the read and write operation are performed, or how the read and write operation can be performed in HDFS software. So first, in a write operation, client contact the name node to create a file. Then name node return a list of data node for the first block. Then client write data to the data node, which simultaneously forward the data to the second and the third data node. Then a client repeat the process for subsequent block. While in read operation, client contact the name node to get the list of data node for the first block. Okay. Have you understood? Yes, yes, clear. Any other doubt? Yes, Mr. Naukarkar. Have you any other doubts? So this was my time. Thank you for giving me your valuable time. Thank you.